Assalamualaikum guys, we just brought all the paddy home from our rice field. And now the land is empty, so I thought why not foul it and spread some mustard seed. It's the perfect season for mustard and I am hoping for a good harvest this time. But soon after spreading the seed, pigeon and others birds starting coming and eating them. So I decided to make a scarecrow and place it in the middle of the field that I stump. My younger brother helped me for making scarecrow for save our crops. Mustard seed. It will look like a real pigeon standing there, and hopefully the bird will stay away. It feels good to see the field come alive again. This time mustard instead to rice. That's village life. One crop ends, another begin. Thank you.